A great idea can change the world, but turning that idea into reality requires someone who can bring people, processes, and goals together.
Every successful product launch, software implementation, business transformation, or large-scale initiative has one person working behind the scenes to keep everything moving forward. That person is a project manager. Today, companies across industries are looking for professionals who can manage teams, solve problems, handle challenges, and deliver projects successfully. From technology and finance to healthcare, manufacturing, and consulting, product managers have become an essential part of business success. But becoming a successful project manager is not just about managing tasks or tracking deadlines. It requires a combination of planning, leadership, communication, problem solving, and business skills. So if you are wondering what a project manager does, what skills you need, and how you can build a career in this field, then this video will help you understand the complete journey. So let's get started. A project manager's role is to transform ideas into successful outcomes. They define project goals, create execution plans, manage timelines, coordinate teams, track resources, identify risk, and ensure projects are completed within the expected time frame. For example, when a company launches a new application, multiple teams are involved there. Developers, designers, marketers, business teams, and stakeholders. A project manager ensures that everyone stays aligned, tasks are completed on time, challenges are resolved, and the final product delivers value. Without proper project management, even great ideas can face delays, budget issues, and execution challenges. That is why project managers are in demand across different industries. A career in project management can be a great choice for people who enjoy organizing work, managing priorities, communicating with teams, and taking ownership of the results. Professionals from different backgrounds like technology, business, operations, engineering, and finance can transform into this role by developing the right set of skills. To succeed as a project manager, you need to build a strong planning and execution skills. You should understand how to create project schedules, manage resources, track progress, and ensure that every activity contributes towards the project goal. Risk management is another important skill. Projects often face unexpected challenges, and successful project managers knows how to identify risk early and create solutions before they impact delivery. Now, communication and leaderships are equally important. Project managers work with different teams and stakeholders, so the ability to communicate clearly, solve conflicts, and keep everyone aligned plays a major role in success. Along with these skills, learning project management methodologies like Agile, Scrum, Waterfall, and hybrid approaches can help you manage different types of projects effectively. Understanding tools like Jira, Microsoft Project, Asana, and other collaboration platforms can also improve your project management capabilities. Certifications can further support your career growth. Certifications like PMP, CAPM, Prince2 are globally recognized and help professionals demonstrate their project management expertise. With the rise of artificial intelligence, project management is also evolving. Modern product managers are using AI tools to improve planning, automate repetitive tasks, analyze risk, create reports, and make better decisions. Now, let's take a quick look at the project manager career roadmap. Step 1. Build project management foundation. Step 2. Develop core project management skills. Step 3. Master project execution and risk management. Step 4. Prepare for certifications and advanced opportunities. Step 5. Choose your specialization. Project management is not just about completing tasks. It is about leading teams, solving complex problems, and creating measurable business impact. So whether you are starting your career or planning a transition into project management, having the right guidance can make your journey easier. To help you understand the skills, tools, certifications, and career opportunities you need to succeed, we have created a detailed project manager career roadmap. Click the link in the description box below to explore the complete project manager career roadmap and take your first step towards building a successful career in project management. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more such career roadmaps, skill guides, and technology insights. And I will see you in the next one.